welcome to the channel. In this video, we are gonna see the components of a sentence and how to make sentences. So let's get started. Components of a sentence: a subject, a verb, an object, and a complete idea was required to make a sentence. Let's check the examples for it. Sapodillas are sweet fruits we eat. Sapodillas is a subject, eat is a verb, we is an object. They played the violin. They is a subject, played is a verb, violin is an object. I should have waited there. I is a subject, waited is a verb, have is object. She gone to market to buy vegetables. She is a subject, gone is a verb, market is an object. The book was lying on the table. Book is a subject, lying is a verb, table is an object. The teacher distributed the answer sheets. Teacher is the subject, distributed is the verb, answer sheets is the object. Wolves killed the sheep. Wolves is a subject, kill is a verb, sheep is object. The postman gave a letter to my mother. Postman is a subject, gave is a verb, letter and mother is object. The fruit seller is selling mangoes. The fruit seller is a subject, selling is a verb, mangoes is the object. She gave him food. She is a subject, gave is a verb, food is an object.
If you are a person visiting our channel for the first time, please like, share, subscribe and comment our channel.